The judgment of the trial court is unanimously affirmed.
After about an hour of arguments, the Connecticut Supreme Court ruled against 17-year-old Cassandra, siding with the previous rulings from the lower courts that force her to undergo chemo treatments. Her mother, Jackie Fortin, addressing the media after the hearing.
We're not saying we wouldn't do treatment. We were not allowed to go get and seek a second opinion and get other options, to look at other options, another treatment besides chemo.
Cassandra's attorneys wanted the justices to consider the mature minor doctrine, a policy in other states allowing those under 18 to make crucial health decisions for themselves. The sticking point over whether it could be proven that Cassandra is indeed mature enough.
If she's sufficiently mature to make decisions as if she was 18 or 19 or 20, then the state has no interest in undermining her fundamental rights.
But the attorney for DCF argued that after running away to avoid chemo, Cassandra's actions indicated she is not mature enough.
The choices that this child was making were irrational and not in her best interest.
The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that not enough evidence existed from the lower court proceedings about her maturity level. For example, a full psychological evaluation was never conducted. Without any proof of maturity, the Supreme Court couldn't act on the mature minor doctrine, but they didn't rule it out down the road, according to Jack Sicklick, Deputy Director of the Center for Children's Advocacy.
They left the door open that in the proper circumstances and with the proper evidence, they might recognize the doctrine, which would allow a minor of a certain age, 16 or 17, to make those critical health care decisions on their own.
Cassandra wasn't at the hearing. She remains at the hospital and will continue to remain there, receiving forced chemo treatments as a result of Thursday's ruling.
I wouldn't let my daughter die, and she doesn't want to die. But she should have a choice and an option of what treatment she wants for this cancer, how she wants to treat it, where she wants to get treated,